As parents, we all want our kids to eat healthy and stay energized throughout the day. But packing a nutritious tiffin can be a challenge. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some delicious and healthy tiffin ideas. Did you know that healthy eating habits can improve children's cognitive function, memory, and concentration? It's important to pack a balanced tiffin with a variety of nutrients to support your child's growth and development. Let's start with vegetable wraps. Fill whole grain wraps with a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, cucumber, and spinach. Add a spread of hummus or Greek yogurt for extra flavor and protein. Mini sandwiches are always a hit. Make them with whole grain bread or whole grain crackers. Fill them with lean proteins like turkey, chicken, or tofu, along with some lettuce and tomato. A colorful fruit salad is a great way to pack in some vitamins and antioxidants. Prepare it with a mix of seasonal fruits like berries, apple slices, and grapes. You can also drizzle a bit of honey or yogurt for added sweetness. Homemade trail mix is a great option for a crunchy snack. Create a custom mix with a variety of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Remember to watch the portion sizes to control calorie intake. Yogurt parfait is a great option for a protein-packed breakfast or snack. Layer Greek yogurt with granola and fresh berries or sliced bananas. This provides calcium, protein, and fiber. Quinoa salad is an excellent source of protein and fiber. Cook quinoa and mix it with chopped vegetables, beans, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Pasta salad is a classic lunch option. Use whole grain pasta and toss it with cherry tomatoes, broccoli florets, and a light Italian dressing. Add some diced chicken breast for extra protein. Egg muffins are a protein-packed option for breakfast or snack. Whip up mini egg muffins with veggies and cheese. You can customize them with your child's favorite ingredients. Hummus and veggies are a nutritious and fun option. Pack a container of hummus with carrot sticks, cucumber slices, and cherry tomatoes for dipping. Rice and beans are a great source of fiber and plant-based protein. Prepare a simple rice and black bean dish seasoned with mild spices. Pita pizza is a fun and tasty option. Top whole grain pita bread with tomato sauce, low-fat cheese, and some veggies like bell peppers and mushrooms. Bake until the cheese is bubbly. Chicken or veggie skewers are a protein-packed treat. Skewer small pieces of grilled chicken or roasted veggies for a tasty and nutritious snack. Smoothies are a great way to sneak in some veggies. Blend a nutritious smoothie with yogurt, spinach or kale, banana, and a handful of berries. Cottage cheese and fruit are a great option for a protein-packed snack. Serve cottage cheese with pineapple chunks or peaches. Nut butter and banana sandwich is a classic option. Spread almond or peanut butter on whole grain bread and add banana slices for a satisfying and nutritious sandwich. Homemade soup is a comforting and nutritious option. Prepare a healthy soup with plenty of veggies and lean protein like chicken. Send it in a thermos to keep it warm. Dried seaweed snacks are a fun and nutritious crunchy snack that kids often enjoy. Mini meatballs are a tasty and protein-packed option. Make mini turkey or chicken meatballs with hidden veggies like finely grated zucchini or carrots for added nutrients. Cheese and whole grain crackers are a balanced snack option. Offer a variety of cheese slices with whole grain crackers. Fruit kebabs are a visually appealing and tasty snack. Thread bite-sized fruit pieces onto skewers. Remember to consider your child's preferences and any allergies when preparing their tiffin. These ideas provide a balance of carbohydrates, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals to keep your child energized and focused throughout the day. Encourage them to drink water and stay hydrated throughout the school day.